Delicious Swabian pasta salad, Schwäbischer Nudelsalat. Servus and welcome to Flo's German Kitchen. I'm Flo, this is my kitchen, and I show you how to cook the German way. Spring is coming, it's inevitable. We had a couple of sunny days, and when spring's coming, the air smells like barbecue. And in Germany, at least South Germany, there is no barbecue without Nudelsalat, pasta salad, and that's what we're gonna make today. Of course, for a Nudelsalat, we need noodles, pasta. We take any kind of short egg noodles. These are my favorites. But yeah, any kind of short noodles, just no stuff like spaghetti or fettuccine or something. No long pasta. Also, we need Lyoner sausage, 2 carrots, 3 gherkins, 3 hard-boiled eggs, a yolk, some pickle juice, some vinegar, oil, salt, pepper, and of course a good guzzle of German beer. No barbecue without a beer. Wunderbar. First thing, of course, is that I'll cook the pasta. I'm gonna do that on the stove behind me. Nothing interesting to watch there. So let's see if we manage to finish everything before the pasta is cooked. First thing we start is cutting the Lyoner sausage to fine strips. If you can't buy Lyoner sausage in your region, there is a nice video on how to make your own sausage, Lyoner sausage. Just have a look here. That's great to make your own sausage. Nothing beats homemade sausage. Großartig. The carrots are steamed. I've done that in my pressure cooker. You can also just boil them, but yeah, I like it better when they are steamed. And I just cut them in slices and then chop them a little more. You just really want soft pieces because, yeah, whether you cook them or steam them, important thing is that they are really soft, so the feeling in the mouth is just like eating pasta. Yeah, show this to your children when you want to make sure they understand what happens when you focus more on talking than on what you're doing. I had to stop the bleeding. The pasta is ready in the meantime. So let's just go on with cutting the gherkin. I want to cut them in small strips. And now we chop the eggs. Now for me, an important thing with pasta salad is that the ingredients have about the same texture when you eat them. Of course, the gherkins, yeah, they stand out a bit, but that's my only exception. What some people do is that they also add cooked peas to the pasta salad, but yeah, that's optional. If you like peas, if you don't mind them, having a different texture, yeah, you can add peas. But I don't. Not that I don't like peas, but not in my noodle salad. So the chopping's done. I managed to finish it without further accidents. I'm happy I survived. So next thing is we're gonna make the sauce. I'll just clear the table and then we're gonna go on with that. Feels better already. The sauce we're making is basically a mayo just with a little off standard ingredients. I start with a yolk. One thing that's not standard for a mayo is 3 tablespoons of pickle juice. Also I have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of mustard, salt, generous, some pepper, and now you mix that. You mix it before you add the oil for the mayo, because the salt dissolves much better before the oil is added. Okay, so here we go, and we start adding the oil. And when you add the oil, just don't pour everything at once, just do it step by step. Just a little more. Yeah, that looks good. I don't want to make it as stiff as I'd make a normal mayo, because yeah, after all, it is still a sauce for the salad. That's already it. Now I mix all the delicious stuff. That looks good. Yeah, and here come the pasta. And now we mix it all together. These are 500 grams of pasta and about 200 grams of Lyoner sausage. Yeah, that looks really good. Although I think it could maybe be a little juicier, but that's not a problem. You can just add a little more mayo. Yeah, not bad. I'll add a little more of my mayo. And yeah, it's just such an easy thing to make your own mayo. It costs you 5 minutes. And yeah, you just don't have to buy the stuff in the store with ingredients you don't know and you don't want. So yeah, just make more stuff at home. And also it needs a little more salt. Yeah, that looks so much juicier. This is lovely. But it needs to rest for a while. I'll use that to throw some meat on the grill, and then I'll see you in a couple of minutes for the tasting. And while the meat's on the grill, here's a shout out to my newest subscribers. These guys are truly wunderbar. If you like what I'm doing, if you want to support my channel, you can also become a channel member on different tiers with different perks like early access to the videos, discount codes for my merch, and soon there will be a download section with all my recipes as downloadable PDF. Definitely worth the penny. Now I need to get some meat. Yeah, no barbecue without the beer. Wunderbar. And if you have a quick, spontaneous barbecue in Germany, it usually is just some, we call it Halsgrat, some pork neck, marinated and thrown on the grill. Just a lovely quick thing. So the salad had some rest, flavors could mix, and I think it's still juicy enough. I added some more mayo earlier. So yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. So before we can eat, I have to take a picture of that. See you in a minute. Here it is. German Nudelsalat, Schwäbischer Nudelsalat. Actually, it's a Swabian recipe. There are different ways to make pasta salad in Germany, but that's my favorite one. Here we go. Just delicious Swabian pasta salad, Schwäbischer Nudelsalat. I have that whenever I make Halsgrat. This is just delicious. So cheers on the upcoming barbecue season. Cheers on Schwäbischer Nudelsalat. Wunderbar.